Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So this is day 17 of my trip. I left India 17 days ago for a big adventure across the continents. I am right now in the Americas, the North America. In this episode you will hear about my stories of robberies in Mexico and a little bit of Mexico and then what happened next. So let's get started.
That's the view of Mumbai from the plane.
My big adventure to the Americas is starting with a cyclone. My trip has been delayed for 24 hours as of now, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be delayed for 24 more hours. And this is the situation right now in Mumbai.
This is Mumbai's airport's COVID facility area. We had to get another COVID test because our tests expired, and here we go on the flight all the way to Frankfurt. That's Germany from the air. Isn't it beautiful? I took the full advantage of the layover in Germany in Frankfurt to eat German breads and drink German beer, which I really love.
Hi guys, this is flight number 3 from Frankfurt to Mexico. And the best part about flying in a pandemic is the seats are all empty and you have the whole row for yourself so that you can sleep. And we are right now flying over Canadian airspace.
And we made it to Mexico.
Hello guys, welcome to Mexico.
This is Coyoacan, a very famous street, and I was exploring this area with a local.
So this is my first day in Mexico City and I'm quite sad because I lost my purse. I left it on a table at a market. I mean that was my mistake and somebody else took it. I checked in CCTV cameras as well and somebody else has taken it. And I lost my cards as well. I still have one Indian card with me, but however I lost like 2 cards and some money as well. So a little sad, but nothing very detrimental. So let's see how the rest of the trip is gonna turn out.
These are the pyramids of Teotihuacan, and it's an ancient Mesoamerican city. You can do a day trip from Mexico City. It's actually quite easy to get here by the public buses.
Okay.
I made it myself.
Okay.
That's
You
my
made
work.
it yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
All
okay.
work that is made by hand.
Okay.
That's not made in the mold in the machine, or that is handmade.
Okay. Okay.
This instrument, that is my culture, that is my tradition, that one.
While we are in Mexico, I think we should talk a little bit about their food. They eat a lot of corn in the form of tortillas and tacos and lots of meat as well. I did try a taco with these bugs in them. It's actually not that bad.
Good beer. Good beer. Really good beer.
Which one are you drinking?
Casablanca.
Yay.
Hey, really good beer, man. I think I should shift from Heineken to Casablanca. True. Smooth.
Finally you are moving on from Heineken.
Yeah. We have arrived to Castillos de Chapultepec. I am not quite sure what to expect inside. I think it looks like a castle and probably a nice view when we reach the top of the castle. I'm not a big fan of this museum because everything is written in Spanish and I don't understand what's written. So, I mean, the museum is nice, but
Yeah.
doesn't really make sense. So,
The paintings were nice.
yeah, the paintings
clothes
were
were
beautiful,
nice.
the clothes were nice.
Colors were good.
Yeah, everything was good, but we don't know the history behind it. So,
We feel lost.
yeah, we feel so lost, but it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
You will notice loads of dogs in Mexico City and lots of parks as well. The city is actually quite green and you will find some green place or some park like every 5 minutes you walk. I'm pretty sure you'll find a green space. That is Mexico City's subway and it's quite efficient and it can get crowded during peak times. Some parts of Mexico look very similar like India, like people repairing phones on the streets and selling things on the street. This is one of my favorite streets in Mexico called Roma, and it has loads of interesting cafes and places to eat and really happening place. Well, here begins the adventure. So I bought my bicycle so that I can cycle around Mexico for a little bit. So I started fixing up my bicycle and I rode the next day, and then I was robbed by two Mexican police. And I do not have any footage of me cycling because I lost my camera.
Hello, 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 hello. So I'm back here at where my robbery has happened. This is the spot. I arrived here because I really want to find my camera because it has lots of storage of my videos, of my travels. So I hope to at least find the SD card because I don't think it would have survived the throw. So what exactly happened was I was camping right here and the policemen came and they started searching my bags. So there were two policemen and one of them started asking me to show all my bags while the other one was like also checking my bags, and they're searching for my money. Essentially they're not searching for anything. They just said to me that they're searching for drugs or weed, but essentially they were only looking for money, and they saw where I kept my money. They asked for my passport, they asked for my ID and other stuff, and they found where my money is. And then the other policeman brought me to that road while the other policeman was here with my stuff. And what he did was he took the money while I was standing there and talking with the other police, and I noticed that, and I started taking the video camera out and started filming them. And this guy starts going away this direction, and then I stopped the other policeman, but he took my camera and he came here and he threw it that way. He threw the camera that way and then he pushed me away and then he rode off to this way. So I really want to find my camera, but the problem is it's really bushy and my camera is dark. My camera is dark in color, and if you see here, the volcanic rock is also dark in color, and there's lots of bushes, like thorny bushes. I've already tried to find the camera once, like the very next morning after the assault, but I couldn't find it. But I'm gonna give it another go and see if I can find the camera. You see here, it's not that easy. This is actually a little open right now because the other day we have searched and we have opened things a little bit. And if you see, it's all bushy like this. Hello everyone. So this is about day 12 in Mexico, and I could not find my camera. But however, I'm trying to recover from the trauma and just trying to visit a museum now. And I am gonna fly in 2 days to USA so that I can get my cameras back, and I mean buy my cameras back. And then hopefully there's a big adventure awaiting for me in the States as well. But this trip has proven to be not so great, so let's see how the trip turns out to be.
This is the Museum of Anthropology, and if you're in Mexico City and if you need recommendations on what to do and if you have short time, this museum is a must visit, and it takes at least 4 hours to visit the museum. And it's a really good place to know the history of Mexico. It's really good. I left to the United States the next day, and let's see what adventure awaits for us in the States, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.